Are you tired of feeling like your lungs are constantly clogged, making it hard to breathe deeply and fully? What if I told you there are 10 secret foods that can quickly detox your lungs and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized? That's right. In just a few days, you can transform your respiratory system by adding these powerful foods to your diet. Say goodbye to coughing, wheezing, and all the other unpleasant symptoms that come with lung damage. Get ready to take back control of your health and discover the incredible healing power of nature. Stay tuned until the end of the video, because we've saved the most powerful food for last. It's one you may not expect, but it can make all the difference in repairing your lungs fast. Don't miss out on this life-changing information. Watch this video now and start your journey towards cleaner, healthier lungs today. Let's begin. Number 10. Ginger. Breathe easy again with ginger. This zesty root is here to save the day. Whether it's tea time or a savory stir-fry, ginger adds a spicy kick and a whole host of health benefits. Rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like gingerol, this superfood helps flush toxins from your body and soothe irritated tissues. Simply sip on some steaming ginger tea or add fresh grated ginger to soups and marinades. With its warming properties, ginger will melt away congestion and leave your lungs feeling lighter and cleaner in no time. So why wait? Add this mighty root to your meals and experience the detoxifying power of ginger for yourself. Number 9. Garlic. Unlocking the power of garlic for lung health. These pungent cloves pack a punch of flavor and health benefits. From boosting your immune system to clearing your airways, garlic has got your back. Rich in allicin, a compound known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, garlic can help protect your lungs from infections and reduce inflammation. Simply incorporating a few cloves of garlic into your daily meals can make a world of difference. Whether you prefer it raw or roasted, the possibilities are endless. So why wait? Start reaping the rewards of this humble yet powerful ingredient and breathe easier with garlic. Number 8. Turmeric. Give your lungs some golden love with turmeric. This vibrant spice is more than just a culinary delight. With its eye-catching yellow hue, turmeric is packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Adding a sprinkle of this magical ingredient to your meals can help fight free radicals and remove toxins from your body. The active compound curcumin gives turmeric its remarkable healing properties, making it an ideal addition to your detox diet. Simply incorporate turmeric into your daily routine by adding it to smoothies, stir-fries, and even your morning cup of tea. Let the golden glow of turmeric work its wonders on your lungs and leave you feeling healthier and more energized than ever before. Number 7. Green tea. Time for a green tea revolution. This refreshing beverage is more than just a tasty pick-me-up. Packed with antioxidants and polyphenols, green tea is your secret weapon in restoring lung tissue and protecting cells from damage. Its natural decongestant properties can help soothe sore throats and ease breathing, while its anti-inflammatory properties can reduce inflammation in the lungs. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, green tea is the perfect companion for your detox journey. So why wait? Brew yourself a cup of calm and let the healing power of green tea work its magic on your lungs. Number 6. Pomegranate. Unleash the power of pomegranates for a healthier you. These tiny jewels are bursting with antioxidants and nutrients that can repair and shield your lung cells from damage. From reducing inflammation to fighting free radicals, pomegranates have got your back. Studies show that regular consumption of pomegranate juice can improve lung function and increase the amount of oxygen in your blood. So why wait? Add this sweet and tangy fruit to your daily diet and experience the incredible benefits of pomegranates for yourself. Number 5. Beetroot. Power up your lungs with the vibrant energy of beetroot. This humble root vegetable is packed with essential nutrients that can boost circulation and overall lung function. From increasing oxygen levels in the blood to reducing inflammation, beetroot has got your back. Studies show that consuming just 1 cup of cooked beetroot per day can significantly enhance exercise performance and endurance. So why wait? Add this earthy and refreshing vegetable to your meals and experience the detoxifying power of beetroot for yourself. Number 4. Honey. Sweeten your path to better breathing with a spoonful of honey. This golden elixir is more than just a delicious treat. With its soothing and anti-inflammatory properties, honey can help soothe irritation in the throat and clear away toxins from the respiratory system. Raw honey is particularly beneficial as it contains antioxidants and enzymes that can boost the immune system and promote overall wellness. Simply drizzle honey over your toast, stir it into your tea, or enjoy it straight from the spoon. Let this liquid gold melt away your respiratory woes and leave you feeling healthier and happier than ever before. Number 3. Thyme. Breathe in the healing power of thyme. This fragrant herb is more than just a culinary delight. With its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, thyme can help clear mucus from the lungs and kill harmful bacteria. Whether you prefer it fresh or dried, thyme adds a delicious flavor to your meals while providing numerous health benefits. So why wait? Sprinkle some thyme into your next soup or stew and experience the detoxifying power of this mighty herb for yourself. Number 2. Walnuts. Fuel your lungs with the power of walnuts. These crunchy wonders are packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and support overall lung health. Walnuts also help strengthen the immune system and improve blood circulation, making them an ideal snack for those looking to improve their respiratory health. Simply add a handful of walnuts to your daily diet and let these tiny green allies work their magic on your lungs. Number 1. Oranges. Unleash the vibrant power of oranges for a healthier you. These juicy citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, flavonoids, and antioxidants that can help reverse damage in the lungs and boost the immune system. Oranges also help improve blood circulation and reduce inflammation, making them an ideal addition to your detox diet. Simply enjoy them as a snack, squeeze the juice into a drink, or add slices to your salads. Let the radiant energy of oranges work its magic on your lungs and leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized like never before. Congratulations! You've made it to the end of our video. If you found this information helpful, please don't hesitate to drop us a comment below to let us know. We'd love to hear from you. And if you want to show your support, simply hitting the like button can make a huge difference in helping us reach more people with our health and wellness content. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe for more amazing videos coming your way. Until then, stay healthy and happy.